Namaste. I'm Ezechi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Are you in the Matrix? Are you struggling to get out of the Matrix? Are you even aware of the Matrix? What is this Matrix that we speak of so often? Let's discuss that. First of all, if you're into spirit science, Lightworker strategies, this is a Lightworker tutorial channel. This is the Golden Circle Movement channel. So you should subscribe. Make sure you ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Now, what is the Matrix? Okay, in non-esoteric terms, the Matrix is this. First, you must understand that we are energy. We are a spirit encased in a human form, in tissue, in meat. And we are walking through this third dimension to learn, to help reach the next stage of our development. But this all depends on our state of consciousness. Now, when we have a state of consciousness that is open to change, open to grow, then we flourish. When we are confined by stagnated thoughts, stagnated ways of living, then we die. So the point here is this. If there is a way to inspire an individual to focus their thought energy, their soul energy, on that idea, that whatever it is, but it is not that individual's original idea, their thought. They don't own that thought. They are not really into that. But someone has their attention. Then that attention that they direct is energy that someone can use. So, if you were to consider what we eat, the food, the water, the polluted air, these things diminish consciousness. As you noticed, in The Matrix, if you have seen the movie, when Neo is liberated, they must locate his pod. He is one of billions of pods that contains a human vessel. Now, if you were to consider our internet, our social media, and how we are all connected in a neural network, however, we are all individuated. We can all find our own universe within our own spectrum of our social media influence and attention. The point here is this: as we decide to be Republican, Democrat, Independent, Anarchist, Buddhist, Christian, these sects are focuses of our energies, and it separates us from the whole. These individuated institutions keep us apart. And this is the Matrix. We are asleep, we are anesthetized because of the food that we eat and the elements, the impure elements in the food that we eat and the water that we drink. So then we are hypnotized by the media, not only by the colors, sights, the sounds, the storylines, but we are also hypnotized by frequencies used in these broadcasts. So, because we're asleep, hypnotized, individuated, we are only energy cells, as we are in the Matrix, as is depicted, I should say, in the Matrix, that humans are reduced to merely being batteries. But when you change your diet, when you change your mentality, you change your idea that you don't have to think or go along with your training of education, your social structure, status, that you can separate from the individuated state of beingness and accept existence as a whole, and that you are part of the whole. Now, we're discussing the architecture of the matrix. The architecture of the matrix is our entire social structure. So, to liberate oneself from the matrix, one needs to focus on something that is outside of the matrix. So, there are many teachings, there are many ideas, there are many concepts outside the matrix. I will leave you to discover those for yourself. Our objective today was to describe the physical reality of the matrix. And if you feel you understand now what the matrix is, I'd like you to type matrix in the comments. Type matrix if you understand now what the matrix is. If you have a better grasp of the matrix, type matrix in the comments. This is the Golden Circle Movement channel. We are endeavoring to create paradise on earth. If this is something you're into, subscribe. Make sure you ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Make sure you like and share this video. It will help others who you may not even know. So if you need to reach me on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, you can reach me at Ezechiade, and on Facebook at the Golden Circle Movement Group. We are available to receive donations through Cash App, PayPal. These links are in the description below. These donations will help to raise production quality and greater research, editing for this channel. If this is something that you're into, by all means, participate in with the links in the description. Thank you for your participation. Namaste.